Hey everybody, my name is Wendy. I live in Bend, Oregon, and I help mamas rekindle their inner light through photography and self-care. Before Ariel's class, I didn't know that. I was a hot mess. It was like I was walking around in this like crazy thick fog with all this information that I've either gotten for free or paid for, just like floating around me, and I knew what I was supposed to do, but I didn't know how, and I didn't know when, and I didn't know why. But now I do. It's like I'm looking down now at my business. Like before I was in the mess of it, and now I'm looking down and I know what I should be doing and how and when and why. And that has just like relieved so much anxiety and stress for me. I can't explain like the clarity I have now. I have been engulfing resources for years now, for like 3 to 4 years probably, on running a business and understanding it. I didn't get anywhere. I got a lot of the same information just given to me in different ways, and none of it I could apply to my photography business. Ariel's course, More Than Marketing, it was like exactly what I needed. I can't even explain, like I just kept doing one video after another, and I was like, oh, I understand it now. Oh, that makes sense now. Oh, I can totally do this. And I got through a course. I decided with her course that I wasn't going to implement anything until I finish it, because I really couldn't understand the big picture of everything. I got it done. I worked really hard on it, and I did it in 3 months, because I wanted to have a couple months with her as a coach as I implement things. And when I finished, I was like, holy crap, like the fog is gone. I understand it. Like when I told Ariel when I first finished, like how I felt, I was crying. I was in disbelief after all these years that I could actually understand it. Like I was on the point, like this was like the last thing I was gonna try, and then I was like, I'm just gonna stop after it. If I can't figure it out after this course, maybe I'm just not the person for it. Like maybe I'm not an entrepreneur. Maybe I don't have it in me, because I can't seem to figure it out, and I can't seem to understand what seems to be easy for some people. I have a background in management and systems and all that, so why can't I figure this out for myself? This course is why I needed it. I really needed this course, and it was exactly what I was asking for. I couldn't have gotten anything better. The course itself, amazing, but the why, the part in the beginning where you learn what your why is, and you have a session with just Ariel. It's a therapy session. I was crying. I was like, what is going on? Your why is not what you think it is. Your why is so much more. Your why is who you are, what you are, how you are, the choices you make, the things that you say. Like, I thought my why were my children. I wanted to provide for them. I wanted to give to them and make sure they have more than what I had. And it wasn't that. And it was really hard for me to grasp that it could possibly be something else, that it could be about me, and it could be more than providing. But it is. And with her psychology, love and background, you can see it. Ariel gives you everything you need to succeed. She gives you the support. She gets you outside of your box. She helps you think in new ways. She's very good at explaining things. She's your friend. She talks to you. She's available for you. I can't recommend this more. To have this clarity is amazing, and I can't wait for the pandemic to be over so I can really start getting in the clientele that I know I can get. And in the meantime, I'm working on my community, and I know I have a lot ahead of me, and it's not scary anymore. It's doable. It's clear. It's understandable. And if you're thinking about taking this course, you're on the fence, I say do it. Do it, because no matter what, you are going to learn about yourself. To learn about your why, it works in your business, but it also helps you in your day-to-day life. Let's say for some reason you decide not to do photography one day and you go a different route. Well, that why is going to be with you for the rest of your life. You are going to understand things that you didn't understand before. After figuring out my why, which everybody's why is different, which is very awesome and cool, I notice myself and how I talk to people and why I say the things I say, and it was just very intriguing and very exciting to understand myself more than I've ever understood myself. And I'm 37 years old, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I did not know this about myself. So if you are on the fence, even if you're thinking about it, and it's worth it, like the price point is amazing. I can't stress doing it more, and it's everything. I appreciate having this in my life. It's changed everything for me, and I don't know what I would have done if I hadn't found Ariel. And that's just the why part. Like, then you have all the marketing and understanding strategy. I thought strategy was posting 4 times a week on your Instagram feed and posting once on stories once a day. That is not a strategy. Like, there's parts to it. There's learning who you're talking to, what you want them to feel from this post, what you want to accomplish with this post. Like there's all these little details that make sense now. And you know, I know what I'm trying to portray when I say the things that I say. I am actually posting on social media. I'm working on other parts of my business right now, and you know, I'm building that community. I want people to know that I'm there for them, and I want to help moms find their inner light, and I'm going to be doing that, and I know it, and I'm not scared, I'm not worried, you know, I'm not stressed out. Like, I'm just doing it now. I'm not paralyzed in fear or paralyzed in doubt anymore, and it has been completely life-changing for me. I highly recommend this course. It's going to change you for the better, and it has things in it that are going to be with you for the rest of your life. So hop on and do it, because you will not regret it. Thanks.